set, go.
Hi, this is Austin, playing live from Austin's Kitchen. Today, we're going to make some popcorn in a pan. First, you need some vegetable oil.
Yeah.
You pour it in there.
Cookie.
Oh, you stick the popcorn on the top. Ooh, the process is beginning.
Wait, you guys, how many I put on?
You put the flame on high. Doesn't really matter where you put it, but high is the best. That's my face. Get it out. Okay. Katie, it is starting to boil. You should look. It's about to all start to pop.
Ow, it burns my fingers.
You dumbass.
You dumbass. Oh, look, it's actually starting to pop. How are you feeling today, Austin?
What?
All I see is it sizzle.
You heard it?
No.
Take it over.
It hurts my head!
Though, you idiot.
Still hurts.
Ow. Come on, Katie, it's gonna start popping. I think. Fucking oil doesn't go.
Yep.
You idiot! My tush.
Oh, it's gonna pop. I don't even know if you can see it sizzling. I can hear it. There it goes, guys. Everyone be quiet. You may want to fast forward through this part. Ow, it burns.
Okay, it's gonna pop now. Could you stop? Look at the popcorn!
Mini.
Alright, is it gonna pop or is it just burning?
We're using that.
Ow! It's popping!
Ow, it like attacked my...
Look at it, it's popping!
Oh, I want to get close to it.
Look! Oh my god!
Oh, that's too cool.